My clothes are soaking up the pain that keeps pouring down. Too much more and I may drown. I'm being followed by the night sky. It stole away my sight. It seems I've lost my way. I need someone to frightened eyes hide behind my love for you. Free is only a choice, one that we all must make someday. So I know you're not alone in this. Listen to my voice. Close your frightened eyes.